sure. সব নিজের ব্যাপারগুলোই চালিয়েছিল।
We can't hear you actually.
Hello.
Hi Tanvir, we can't hear you.
Oh, sorry. Actually, I'm not speaking anything. 1 minute. I'm just preparing data. Just give me 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I have created here imply table. This one. Ignore the previous one, okay? This is. I hope my voice is audible.
Yeah, it's audible.
The screen is visible, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here I have created this employee table. Is this ID sorted in ascending or descending order? Have we discussed ascending and descending order by in the previous class? No.
No, Tanvi.
No,
Okay.
no.
So is this output okay. Is this output sorted in ascending or descending order?
No.
No. So you have a keyword known as order by ID. Now please check the output. Is it sorted?
Yes.
Okay. So order by is a reserved keyword which is used to sort your result. I have written order by ID, so your ID is sorted. Is this ascending order or descending order?
Sending.
Ascending order. So after ID, I have not written anything. So by default, your SQL engine will understand that the user wants to sort this in ascending order. But still, if you want to write, you can write ASC. It means ascending order. You will check. Still, you are getting the same output. If your question is, I want to sort this in descending order, you have to write DESC. DESC stands for descending. Now your output will be sorted in descending order. Is that clear?
Yes.
Any questions so far?
No, Tanvir. Tanvir, it will be great like if you zoom out some screen.
Okay,
be
sure.
great.
How is it now?
Yeah, better.
Right? Okay. So any question in the
Not Tanvir.
Hamza, please go on mute. Naveen, please go on mute.
Like I have one doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Like in one class, we discussed like describe, DES, whether how we can differentiate both these things.
So DESC is the only keyword in SQL which have two different functionality. If you will write DESC and the table name, so it is like you're asking SQL engine to describe. So here this DESC means describe. So you are telling this SQL engine to describe the table. But here this DESC means descending. So if you're using this DESC with order by, it means it will become descending. If you're using this DESC with table name, it will behave as described. So this is the only keyword which has two different functionality. Hope it is clear?
Yeah.
Any other question? Fine. Okay, now if the question is that, okay, fine, Tanvir, you have sorted this ID column in ascending or descending order. My concern is I want to sort name column in ascending order. So what to do? Very simple. Instead of this ID, write order by name. And if you want to sort this in ascending order, write AAC. Please verify the output. Is this sorted in ascending order?
Yes.
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 Yes,
Yes,
alphabetically sorted. Yeah.
Vertical order.
A and then H, then J, then R, right? Similarly, if you want to sort this in descending order, you can sort this in descending order. Is this sorted in descending order?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So order by is used to sort your result either in ascending or descending order as per your wish. By default, engine will take which order?
Descending.
Ascending. Okay, hope it is clear. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Save the employee. Now I'm creating another table, this one. Okay. Now listen very carefully. Don't think that order by is over. We have many more things to learn here. Now here, I want to sort first name in ascending order. So I will write like order by first name. 1 minute. Okay. Let me run this. Please verify the output. Is this in ascending order? First name.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Any question? You can ask a question here that this Asif Khan and Asif Sheikh, they both have same first name, right, Asif? Correct. Then why Asif Khan is displayed before Asif Sheikh? What is the reason, right?
Yes. This might be because suffix and Next one is alphabetically S will come after K. That might be also the reason.
Is the question clear? What I asked?
Yes.
Asif Khan and Asif Sheikh. You can ask this question, no? That Tanvir, why Asif Sheikh is not displayed at the second position? What is the reason, right? So here, this both record Asif Khan and Asif Sheikh. They both have the same first name, Asif. So when two records have the same first name, then there is a conflict. In the case of conflict, it is up to the wish of SQL engine. It can display anyone first and the second record after that. There is no logic for that. So if you're asking me any logic that Tanvir, why Asif Khan is displayed before Asif Sheikh, there is no logic. There is a concept of row ID and all those things. So when I will teach you window function, then I will come to that. But for the time being, you can understand it that there is no such logic that why Asif Khan is displayed before Asif Sheikh. Clear? Similarly, Raj Kishore and Raj Kumar, the Raj is same. Again, you can ask this question that why Raj Kishore is displayed before Raj Kumar. There is no such logic. Clear, guys?
Yes, Tanvir.
Yes.
Okay.
Can we sort using two variables like first name and last name both?
Yeah, I'm coming to that. Now you can ask this question that Tanvir, it is fine that you have this Abdul Khan, Asif Khan and Asif Sheikh, but here I want to display Asif Sheikh first and then Asif Khan. You got my question? You can ask question here that Tanvir, fine here. I want to display Asif Sheikh and then Asif Khan. Okay. So in that case, what I will do, I will write here comma, last name, descending. Check the output. Ignore this. I will explain this. Okay. Check the output. You got the output what you're looking for?
Yes.
Asif Sheikh and then Asif Khan, right? Okay. Now let's try to understand this, that how engine is processing it. Okay. So let me copy this data. Yours is October evening batch, 1 minute. Today is 12th November. Okay, so this is your employee table. Let me zoom this. Okay. Now you have written this query, this one, correct? In this query, which keyword will be executed first? From? So your engine will take a copy of it. Okay. After from, select will be executed. Select means we have written a star. It means you want all the columns, all the records, right? We have selected all the columns, all the records. So star means you want all the columns, right? After that, you have written, so this part is over. So after this, we will execute order by. Engine will see that user has mentioned ordered by first name. Ignore this part, last name descending, ignore that. Engine will see here that user has mentioned order by first name. So your SQL engine will understand that user wants to sort the data on the basis of first name column in which order, ascending or descending?
Descending.
As
No. Ascending, it's not there. Anything by default, it will be ascending.
ascending order. After first name, I have not written anything, no? So it will go for ascending order, right?
Yes.
Clear? Any question? Is it clear, guys? Okay. So in this first name column, engine will concentrate here and it has to sort this in ascending order. So in ascending order, out of this value, which one will come first?
A will come first.
Which one?
A, Abdul.
Abdul. Why not Asif? Asif also has a first character. Why you're telling Abdul?
Because the first letter is A, it's come on. Then it will go for the next letter to sort.
Good. So in Abdul and Asif, they both have first character A, correct? When the first character is same, engine will check for the next character. In Abdul, next character is B, and in Asif, next character is S. So in ascending order, B comes before S. So that is why engine will pick this record first of all. Is this clear?
So engine will pass only the first two character, or it will pass the complete string?
Where it will pass? Sorry, I didn't get you.
It's comparing A, B against A, S.
First of all, it will check the first character.
Okay.
First character of A, first character of Asif, first character of R, first character of R. So in Abdul and Asif, first character is same. Then it will check the next character, B and S. So here B will come first and then S. That is why Abdul Khan is selected here on the top.
So after comparing to second character, it will go on to the next string.
No. After second character, you have decided, you got the result, so no need to go for the next string. It will not compare the third one.
Got it. Thanks.
Okay. Abdul Khan is over. After that, which one? Asif Sheikh or Asif Khan? Which one?
Asif Khan.
Randomly, it
Okay.
can be one.
Randomly.
Okay. So there is a conflict. Asif Sheikh or Asif Khan, right? Here is a conflict. Conflict because they both have the same first name. So when there is a conflict, then engine will check whether user has mentioned any other condition or not. Tell me whether user has mentioned any other condition.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, user has mentioned the next condition, which is this one, last name descending. So it means when the first name is not able to decide, then it means user is telling go to the last name. Now your engine will go to this record last name. But for the last name, what you have told, you want based on the descending order. So in descending order, S comes first or K?
S comes first.
Yes.
S comes first.
S will come first. So that is why Asif Sheikh will be selected and it will be kept here. Is this clear? Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, Tanvir.
Okay. Now after this, which one? Then Asif Khan you will display here. Okay. Now this is Raj Kumar. This is Raj Kishore. Is the first name able to decide the column, the record, which one to take? No,
So-
they both have the same. Yeah, sorry, any question? Okay. So is the first name able to decide? Yes or no?
No.
No.
No. Then your engine will check whether user has mentioned any other condition. Yes, user has mentioned if first name there is a conflict, check with the last name, but in which order?
Rajkumar will come.
Oh, I'm not asking answer. Just tell me what I'm asking you. Last name in which order?
Descending order.
Descending order. Okay. In last name descending order, they both first character is K. Are you able to decide?
No.
No. Next, engine will go to the next character. What is the next character of Kumar? U. Next character of Kishore, I. So in descending order, U comes first or I?
You.
U. So that is why we will select Raj Kumar. Clear?
Yes.
And then Raj Kishore will be at the last. Now I will execute this query. This is the output. Please verify this. This is the output of engine, and this is our output. Please verify, is this the same output?
Yes.
So hope you understood how the order by works. Okay. Now see here one thing. Here the first name, we are sorting in which order? Ascending or descending?
Ascending.
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 Last name in which order?
Descending.
Descending. So in interview, you can get this question that in order by, can we sort two different columns on two different on two different conditions? Is that allowed? So
Yes.
yes, it is allowed. You can mix ascending and descending both. Next question. Do you think the no, leave it. Any questions so far? From this only. I know many other questions are there, especially I'm afraid of those who know all these things. So don't ask all the other questions. I will cover all those questions. If you have any question from this part, you ask first of all.
The question is here, Tanvir, like when you write descending in last name, it sorted with the last name, right?
Mhm.
But why engine it's checking randomly when we are not writing anything? It should sort with the ascending, right?
No, actually, when you're writing like this, suppose if you're writing like this one. So when there is a conflict based on the first name, I told you that is the wish of engine, it can take any column, right?
Yes.
So it is not like that it will take last name as well by default in ascending order. No, it cannot take that. That is up to the wish of SQL engine. It can pick anything.
Okay.
If you're thinking that if there is a conflict, then we by default engine should take based on the last name. See here we have 2 columns in this table, but in a table you can have 10 columns. So which column should engine take? Tell me. There is no such rule, right?
Yes.
So that is why here by default it cannot take any column.
But
Okay.
if we decide last name as ascending, then it will go for the sort, right?
If you see here, you have clearly mentioned last name descending. Okay, so there is no confusion. When first name there is a conflict, then it will go to the last name, and then it will sort based on the descending order.
No, if we go for ascending also, that will sort, right? Again.
Descending, this one you're telling, this one.
Yes, last name ascending.
Right.
Okay.
Right. If you want, let's do for this as well. Let's consider this example. Is this one? This is the query. Okay. Now let's do the analysis for this. First of all, you have mentioned you want to sort based on the first name. Okay. Engine will sort based on the first name. First name, this is ascending or descending?
Ascending.
Ascending, right? So Abdul Khan will be displayed first. That is clear cut, right? No confusion. Okay. After Abdul Khan, which one you will take? Asif Sheikh or Asif Khan? There is a conflict, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. In the case of conflict, what you will do? Your engine will check whether user has mentioned any other condition. So whether
Yes.
user has mentioned any other condition? Yes.
Yeah.
User has mentioned that if there is a conflict based on the first name, then please check the last name, right? Okay. The last name, you want to sort in ascending or descending order?
Ascending.
Ascending.
Ascending. So in ascending, Asif Khan will come first, right?
Yes.
And then Asif Sheikh. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to Raj Kumar, Raj Kishore, they both have K first. So after K, it is you, this is I.
I will come.
So in ascending, I will come first.
Yes.
So we will display Raj Kishore and then we will display Raj Kumar. Okay. Now please verify this output if I will execute this. Please verify this. Is this clear?
Yes, Tanvir. Tanvir,
Okay.
is it possible to put descending after first name?
and descending
Yes,
after last name
yes,
also?
yes. All the combinations you can do. I will suggest you guys to please try that. You can do all the combinations. You're asking this one, right? That first name I want to put descending like this, correct?
Yes, Tanvir. And after last name also.
You can do that as well. Let me show you for this. Please verify. First name, is this sorted in descending order?
Yes.
Then there is a conflict. In case of conflict, you will go to the last name, but this is in ascending order, right? So see, Kishore is first and then Kumar.
Yeah.
Got it?
Hmm.
If you want to keep last name as well as descending, you can keep that as well. Check the output. Hope it is clear, guys.
Yes.
Any question?
One question, like for example, we have first name, middle name as well as last name. Tanvir. So after first name, let's say we are giving descending. After middle name, we are not mentioning anything, and for last name, we are mentioning descending. So the order in which you are mentioning, it will be taken in that order, right?
Your voice is not clear and you are speaking very fast. Can you repeat?
Tanvir, let's say one person has three names in terms of like first name, middle name, and last name. Okay. So
Okay.
what I'm trying to say is like after first name we're mentioning descending. After middle name we're not mentioning anything, and last name we are not mentioning anything. So it will be taken only in that order, right? Like for example, first name would be descending, and last name and middle name would be in ascending order, right?
No. I understood your question now. You are asking that suppose then where I have first name and then I have middle name. First name you told descending, right?
Yeah, first name descending, correct.
Middle name you have not written anything, and then you have written last name. Last
Descending.
name what you want? Descending.
Right.
So in this 1 minute, let me tell. In this case, first of all, your engine will sort based on first name descending order. Okay. If there is a conflict, if two person has the same first name, then it will go to the middle name, and that will be based on the ascending order. Still, if middle name is not able to sort it, then engine will go to the last name and descending order. Let me show you one example for this. Okay, 1 minute. Job table employee. Get table employee. First name. Okay. 50. Middle name. Okay. 50.
Tanvir,
Yeah.
if there is no conflict, like for example, order the first name, and if there is no conflict in the first name itself, then it will not go
Yes,
forward, right?
correct. If there's no conflict, it will never go to the next condition.
Fine.
Correct. No problem.
Then also it will try to order by sort the other columns as well if we don't have any conflict for the first column.
If there is no conflict for the first column, it will never check the next condition.
Okay.
Okay. So I've taken this data. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm taking your example, this one. Okay. And before that, let me do one thing. Select the star from employee. This is the data. And this is your query. Ram Chitturi, can you go on mute, please? Okay, so till here, this is clear. You all know this. Fine. Next is your order by first name. Okay. What is the meaning of this condition, order by first name descending? You want to sort data based on first name descending, correct? Okay. In first name descending, this M will come first or this R will come first?
R.
R. Okay. In this R, is the first name there is a conflict? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. If there is a conflict in the first name, whether user has given any other condition?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What is the next condition? Middle
Middle
name.
name.
Middle name.
The user has mentioned if the first name is not able to justify, check the middle name. Middle name, what user has mentioned? Ascending or descending?
Ascending.
Ascending. User has not mentioned anything. By default, it will go for ascending. Okay. In ascending, Kumar Singh, K and S, which one will come first?
K. Kumar.
K. So that is why this will be displayed at the top. Clear?
Yes.
And then this will, you will display. Any questions so far? Clear, guys? Okay. Now, this both are MD. They both are same. Okay. There is a conflict. In case of conflict, what engine will do?
Next condition.
A lot of background noise. Kunal and others, please go on mute. Okay. So the first name, they both have the same value. So engine will check, do you have any other condition? Next condition is middle name ascending. Is middle name able to justify now? To give some justification?
No.
No, they
Conflicts.
both are same. Then what engine will do? It will check whether user has mentioned any other condition or not. Tell me whether user has mentioned any other condition.
Yes.
Yes.
Last name.
Yes.
Last name, descending. User is telling that even if second name is not able to justify it, please take the help of last name. Last name, what it is there? Descending.
Descending.
Khan and Alam. In descending, which one will come first?
Khan.
And so you will be having Muhammad Tanveer Khan here, and this will be Muhammad Tanveer Alam at the bottom. Hope it is clear.
Listen.
Yes.
So I'm running this query. Now please verify the output. This is the output of your engine, and this is as per our manual analysis. Please verify is the same.
Same.
Listen.
Hope it is clear now. Okay, done.
Then if we have only like condition on only one column, which is first name, and suppose first name has null value, so in order by statement, it will come in the first or in the last. We have not mentioned any other conditions else, such as middle name or last name.
You want to see the behavior of null with order by, that is your
Yes.
question, right?
Yes.
Just
right.
give me some time, I will come to that.
Okay.
Okay, because the behavior of null with order by is different in Oracle, is different in SQL Server, is different in Postgres, but I will discuss with you after some time. Okay, just give me some time.
Okay.
So, okay, so hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, now I have a question. Please listen carefully, think over that, then answer. Don't be in a hurry. Okay. Does the sequence of column matters in order by?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes, no, yes, no. Any other thought? Please share your thought. Okay, whatever it is, yes, no, whatever you think.
No.
Okay, yes, no, yes, no. Okay.
No.
Mixed response. Okay, fine. I will do one thing. Here I will change the sequence. Okay. I will keep this 1 minute. Change the sequence now, right? Now just tell me one thing. the meaning of this query, line number 25, and the meaning of the query at line number 24, they both have same meaning? Yes or no?
No.
No.
So
No,
do you think output will be same?
No.
no,
No.
No.
Now tell me, does the sequence of column matters in order by?
yes.
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 Yes. See, here you are telling to sort first of all based on the middle name. Check the output for this one. Order by middle name, 1 minute. I think here. Okay, you have the same because the middle name, it is coming in ascending order case. Okay, that's why. Maybe take this one at this first place, then check the output now. Because by coincidence, they have the same middle name. It's sorted in the same manner. Now check this one. Different output, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that is why the sequence of column matters in order by. This is a very, very, very important question. Okay. Shall I proceed further if it is clear? Okay.
Yes. Tanvir.
1 minute.
Can we, if suppose we want to sort using all the columns of the table and using ascending sorting, do we need to write all the column names in the order
Yeah.
order by?
Yeah, you have to write all the column names. There is one shortcut for that. You can write order by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just give me some time. I will come to that. Okay, explain that.
No.
Create table. Yeah, hi, tell me.
You said that data is sensitive, right? Case sensitive.
Data is case sensitive. I'm coming to that only. I understood your question. I'm coming to that only.
Yeah, sure.
You're talking that what if I have lowercase, uppercase, then what 11, right? I'm coming to that only. That is the next topic actually. Insert into input. Use a. It's out there. Start from input. By well, okay. First of all, tell me the meaning of this query, line number 44. I'm not asking the output, I'm asking the meaning. What you're telling to SQL engine.
We are asking to sort
Sort by ascending order.
value.
Right.
Value column should sort by ascending order.
You are telling SQL engine that I want all the records from this input table, but the value column must be sorted in ascending order, correct? I'm running this query, just observe the output. Okay. Don't tell anything. This is the output. Okay. 0 is first and then 9. If I'm talking about 0 and 9 only, 0 and 9 only, is this correct sorting?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, after this, you might be thinking that why this uppercase A is displayed, then this uppercase Z, then why this lowercase a, why this lowercase z after that, right? Correct? Okay, we'll discuss this, that what is the reason that in ascending order, uppercase A and Z are displayed first, and then we have lowercase a and z, correct? Okay. Select just give me some time. Okay, I want to prepare some data. And 9. What is the value for this? 57. Let's see. What is the value? 64, 65. 90. Lowercase a. 97. Lowercase c. 122. Now listen very carefully. You have this set of data uppercase A, uppercase Z, lowercase a, lowercase z, 0 and 9. Okay. You have executed this query. You are telling SQL engine that please sort the result based on the value column in ascending order, correct? So there is a concept of ASCII. I think many of you know this. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Each and every character, whether it is number, whether it is alphabets, whether it is a special character, they have a unique ASCII number. Okay. And this is the way you can find it out. Select ASCII 0 from dual. What is this dual? Please ignore it. Assume this as a dummy table. So from this dummy table, I'm asking the value, ASCII value of 0. What is the ASCII value of 0? 48. What is the ASCII value of 9? 57. Similarly, you can find the ASCII value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you want. Then the ASCII value of uppercase A is 65. ASCII value of uppercase Z is 90. ASCII value of lowercase a is 97. ASCII value of lowercase z is 122. Okay. So when you are executing this query or any query which has order by, first of all, your SQL engine derives the ASCII value. When I have given this example, here as well, the same thing has happened. You executed this query. Internally, first of all, SQL engine has derived the ASCII value for each and every these values. And then it has worked on top of it. So here it has derived the ASCII value. Now forget about this 09 AZ lowercase a lowercase z. Forget about this. Concentrate on these values. Tell me in ascending order which one will come first. 48, right? Correct? It means 0.
Yes.
After 48, which value?
57.
57, it means 9, right?
Yes.
After 57, 65, it means uppercase A. And then 90, it means uppercase Z. And then 97, lowercase a. And then 122, lowercase c. So that is why when I executed this, you got this output. Please verify this. 09, uppercase a, uppercase z, lowercase a, lowercase z. Same thing. If you want to change this order by value descending, you please verify the output now. Are you convinced? While lowercase z is coming on the top, what is the reason?
The ASCII character is high.
Because ASCII value is the highest, right? Lowercase z, ASCII is 122, which is highest. After 122, 97, that is A. So internally, your sorting of data, it works based on the ASCII value. Hope it is clear.
Yes, Tanvir.
Any question?
Yes, Tanvir, I'm having one question. Is ASCII value will be assigned randomly to the each alphabet,
No.
or it will be like ascending order only? Let's say, for example, A will having the lesser 48.
This is fixed. This is fixed. Even if you will run this in your machine now, the ASCII of 0 is 48. This is fixed, universally accepted. Got this?
Yes, Tanvir, like after 1 will having a greater value after the 0, like it will be in ascending order ASCII value also.
Right. 1 will have 49. Let's show you that. ASCII value of 1, 49. Okay, and it keep on incrementing. Is that you're asking something different?
Yeah, same thing. Yeah.
Okay, now tell me one thing, guys. Okay, tell me one. Is this clear? Is this clear? The ASCII concept.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, Tanvi.
Okay, if it is clear, then tell me one thing. Okay, if I will run this query, select a star from input 1, order by value, what will be the output?
Rajesh Abdul.
Rajesh Campus.
So here you are telling to sort in which order, ascending or descending?
Ascending.
So in ascending order, A comes first, no? Before then Abdul should be first, no?
No, ASCII value of
ASCII
A,
value of A is
small a is greater.
Okay, check it. Clear?
Yes.
Now this proved that the sorting works on ASCII.
Yes.
Yes, Tanvi.
Yeah, Tanvi.
Any question, anyone?
No.
Okay, clear, guys? Shall I proceed further?
Yeah, Tanvi.
Okay, perfect. Now, okay, let's take this example. This one, let me take this example.
Tanvir, I have a cool
Ah.
doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Remember you have taught like for uppercase and lowercase like in previous
Yes.
classes.
Yes.
When we select for like capital Delhi,
Uh-huh.
we select for capital Delhi only, not for small characters.
Correct.
Then why? It should be like it should show us na like Delhi is also there in the small character.
Why? Why should show? Data is case sensitive, no? Uppercase Delhi has different value, ASCII value. Lowercase Delhi has different ASCII value. They both are different. So it will not show that.
Okay.
Correct? Data is case sensitive. Uppercase Delhi, lowercase Delhi, it is different. That is why you will see many times in the forms, they will ask you to write everything in uppercase or lowercase, or there's some fixed format because data is case sensitive. Or many times the password, if you have set in uppercase, you know, if you write in lowercase, that will throw error message. It proves that data is case sensitive, correct?
Yes, I understood.
Okay, now tell me one thing. This is a country table. I have some set of country, almost the neighboring countries of India. Order by name. First of all, tell me what is the meaning of this query.
Select all the records with the order by name.
And sort the result in ascending order, right? Okay.
Yes.
So if I will execute this, which country will be on the top?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, right? Okay.
Yes.
China is coming. Oh, I have not inserted this data. Okay, this data is not inserted. Oh, okay. My bad. 1 minute, guys. Hold on. Drop table. Mistake. Okay, I'm running this query now. Afghanistan is at the top, right? Okay. If I will write descending, which country will be at the top?
United
UK.
Kingdom.
United Kingdom. Correct. Okay. Okay. Now listen to the question. Many times you have observed that you are filling a form and they will ask for the nationality, right? So a drill down button will be there. You have experienced this, guys? You will click on the drill down button and then all the country name will be there. And then you will scroll it down and then we'll search for India,
Yes.
Yes, yes.
right? Okay, second scenario. In some cases, you will see by default, India will be at the top and all other countries will be in ascending order. Have you seen that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now, here the same question I have. If I am writing order by name descending, United Kingdom is coming first. If I will write order by name ascending, then Afghanistan is coming first. My question is, I want to display India at the top. Tell me, should I use ascending or should I use descending?
Nothing will work in the ascending and descending.
None of them will work.
No, there will
No.
be some other statement like syntax.
This will not work, right?
Yeah.
Ascending or descending will not work. Clear? Okay. For that, we have a concept of case Y. Now listen very carefully. This is going to be a little bit complex. First of all, this is clear, no? Ascending will not work, descending will also not work. Clear to everyone?
Yes, Tanvir.
Okay. Now for that, I will tell to SQL engine, there is a case statement. I'm not teaching case statement now, just I will give you a flavor of that because this case is something which we will study down the line in each and every concept. When I will teach you window function, again, case will come. When I will teach you joins, again, case will come. When city expression, again, case will come. So this is something which we'll discuss down the line, most of the time, okay? I'm writing some piece of code, please ignore this. When I will run this, just observe the output. Ignore this code, just observe the output. Is this what you're looking for?
Yes.
Correct? Sorry.
Yes.
Is this correct?
Correct.
India is at the top. What about other countries? Is this in ascending order?
Yes, they are in ascending order.
Okay. Now listen very carefully how this code is working. One minute, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, so this is our country table. Okay. And this is the piece of code which I have written. Now let's try to understand this. First of all, which keyword will be executed?
From.
From.
Okay. From. Your SQL engine will take a copy of it. It will keep it here. Done. Okay. After from, select will be executed. Select a star means okay, fine. I have selected all the columns, the records. Select is also done. After that, order by will come into picture.
Yes.
The moment order by will come into picture, the SQL engine will understand that the user wants to sort this, correct?
Yes.
Okay, now listen. Then engine will read the statement that user has mentioned order by case. When name is equal to India, then 1. Now stop here. The meaning of this is you are telling to SQL engine that in this name column, wherever you have India, pick it and create a bucket with the name 1 and place this India inside it. So we will create a bucket first of all. This is a bucket. Inside this bucket, I will keep India from here. And what is the name of this bucket? 1. So far, is it clear? For any question we have? Any question till here?
No.
Is this clear to everyone? Okay. You have written here case when name is equal to India. It means you are telling concentrate on this name column. Wherever you have country with the name India, copy it and keep it in a bucket which has the name 1. I have created a bucket here. The name of this bucket is 1. Inside this bucket, I have put India. Clear? Okay. After this, what you are telling to SQL engine? Else to. What is the dictionary meaning of else?
Rest all.
Apart from that, rest all, right?
Yes.
Okay. So it means rest all countries. Please put this in another bucket. The name of the another bucket is 2 and put all these countries in the another bucket. Clear? This another bucket name is 2 and all these remaining countries I have to put in this another bucket. Is this clear, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Any questions so far? Clear?
Data will be split into 2 buckets now, right?
Correct. Yeah. Good.
One question. Tanvi.
Tell me. Yes.
The second statement, if nothing is given apart from the first statement, anyways, it will be India. Then why not this all are read to the ascending order? The second one, if nothing is given.
You are telling why this is in ascending order. What you told, I didn't get you.
No, why not these are in ascending order? The second statement countries apart from India, because
Second bucket country.
yeah.
No, this is just randomly I put it. Randomly. If you want, let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. Randomly I put here.
Just because I'm asking because we didn't give any.
No, I'm not talking about ascending, descending here. Just I have put India in one bucket and remaining countries in another bucket. You want to sort it, you want to change the order, you can change it. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's see. I will keep China at the last and I will keep Russia here. Okay. Just randomly I kept, because in the question they have not told anything ascending or descending. So far they have mentioned anything ascending or descending. Nothing, no. So just I put India here and the second bucket I kept all these countries. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay, shall I proceed then if it is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now listen very carefully. After that, I have given end, right? End means that's all. We have created 2 buckets. Bucket 1, in that we have India. We have created another bucket, bucket 2. Inside that, I have all the other countries. Fine. Okay. Now listen. Then you have this name, right? Okay. I will tell you what is the significance of this name. So far we understood this one so far. Okay. Now, After end, you have not mentioned anything. That is fine. If I'm talking of ascending order, one come first and then two, right?
Yeah.
So bucket one will be kept at the top, and that has India. So I will keep India here. And then all this second bucket will keep after this. Is this clear? So far, is it clear? One will
Yes,
come
Tanvir.
first and then two. So that's why bucket one I have placed on the top, and then bucket two in after this. That is what I told you. Yeah, any question?
Tanvi, why have we written end after two? Like, does it mean-
Because whenever you're writing case, this is the syntax, you have to write end at the last. I will
I
tell you
see.
the reason for this. Okay, for the time being, just
Okay.
assume this is the syntax. But there
Okay,
is a
okay.
reason I will explain you. Okay, if you will
Okay.
remove end, this will throw error message. Let me show you that. I'm
Okay.
removing end from here, and this will throw error message. Okay, that's why it is mandatory to write end after once the case is over.
Okay.
Shall I proceed further?
Yes,
Any other
please.
question?
Tanvir, one thing.
Okay. Yeah, tell me.
The reason why we are putting bucket one on top of bucket two, because after name we are having like by default ascending.
No. Name I have not came to this name. You're talking about this name.
So,
I'm not reached here.
this name.
I'm not talking anything about this.
So, like why bucket one is put on top of bucket two?
The reason is, the reason should I tell you now? Okay, fine. The reason is because in this case statement till here, have I mentioned anything ascending or descending?
No.
No.
By default, engine considers which sequence?
Ascending.
Ascending.
Ascending. And that is why it will keep bucket one on the top and then bucket two after this. I will show you that descending part as well. So just wait for some time.
No,
Is this
got it.
clear?
Thank you.
No problem. Is this clear, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. So this case part till end, this is the output till here. But after that, what you have mentioned at the last? You have mentioned here is a name, right? Why this is not coming here? Okay. This is, you have written name. Now try to understand the meaning of this. The meaning of this, what happened here? What is not happening? Where it went? The meaning of this name, which is at the last, is, listen very carefully. The meaning of this name is, you are, okay, after this name, have you mentioned anything? Ascending or descending?
No.
No. So by default, which format engine will take?
Ascending.
Ascending. So the meaning of this name, which is at the last, is you are telling SQL engine that now please sort the data within bucket. So first bucket is this India, right? Let's get the bucket here. This was your first bucket, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So within India, within this first bucket, you have India only. So there's no sense of sorting within this bucket, correct?
Right. Yes.
Okay. In second bucket, you have all these countries. So please sort this in ascending order. So which one will come first? So let me keep India on the top here. Which one will come first?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. China.
Yeah.
Afghanistan, no?
Yeah.
And then China.
China.
This Excel sheet is not working perfectly. 1 minute, there's some problem. This Excel sheet is getting hanged. Oh. It's getting hanged. 1 minute, guys. Excel sheet is getting hanged. Oh, it's totally hanged. Am I audible to you guys?
Yes.
Okay, but
Yes.
this Excel sheet is hanged. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. This is not working. Auto save this, auto save this. I will close and I'll try to open this again. It's not working. Okay, let me open this again. I hope it was saved. The convert enough system resources display completely. What happened? Oh, 1 minute.
You can turn on auto save mode, that one.
Everything is working, only this Excel is getting hanged. Oh, shit. I need to close all this. Oh my God, yeah, it is there. Fine. So India is here. So Afghanistan I have kept here. Then after Afghanistan, you have China, correct?
Yes.
I'll keep China here. After China, which one?
Nepal.
Element
Nepal.
Nepal, and then
Pakistan.
RST Pakistan. And
Russia.
then Russia,
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, and then you have
United
United
Kingdom.
Kingdom. Now check this output, this one. And please observe, verify, and let me know, are you getting the same output?
Yes.
Oh, everything is happening very strange today. 1 minute, guys. Copy. Same output. Is the same output?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So this is how this case assessment is working, and through this we have placed India on the top and all the remaining countries in ascending order. I will repeat this explanation. Listen very carefully. So here I'm telling SQL engine to order, but I have customized this. How I have customized? I'm telling please keep India in bucket 1. So engine has created this bucket 1. It has placed India in this bucket 1. Now else 2, it means all the remaining countries in another bucket number 2. So all the other countries are in bucket number 2. Got it? So now if I'm talking about this case still here, have I mentioned anything ascending or descending? No. So if I have not mentioned, by default engine will take which format?
Ascending order.
Ascending order. So that is why 1 will come, bucket number 1 will be at the top. And see how we have kept bucket number 1 at the top, and that is why India is at the top and all other countries are placed after that. Okay. And then you have mentioned at the last name. It means you want to sort the within bucket, you want to sort the data in ascending order, and that is why all this data in ascending order. Clear?
Then with one question.
Yeah.
So when we already gave the end, then again why did we mention name? Because
Okay, good question. Good question, sir. Let me remove this name from here. Okay, this is what we're telling.
yes.
Okay, check the output. What is the difference in output? Just tell me.
It's not in ascending format.
Got it?
Yes.
So that was the significance of this comma name. This comma name, this name is telling within bucket sort the data in ascending order. Now see, if I will write here descending, what is the meaning of this? Within bucket sort the data in descending order. So now after this, what will happen? And this bucket number 2.
India
now,
will come
which
last.
one will? No.
India
No.
is fixed.
See, this is not controlling bucket, sir. This is not controlling bucket. This is just telling within bucket sort the data in ascending or descending. So your bucket number 1 will be at the top only, even if you're
Yes.
writing descending. Bucket number 2 will be after this only. Name descending means you are telling within bucket, now sort the data. So within this bucket in descending order, United Kingdom will be at the top. Means here. India will be here only. India will be here only. United Kingdom will come here, and then Sri Lanka, and then Russia, and all those things.
Yeah, reverse.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now I'm running this. Please verify this. What happened? India is on the top.
Yeah.
Now check the other countries. Is this sorted descending order?
Yes.
Clear, guys?
Yes.
Is this clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Tanvi.
Okay. Now tell me one. Now tell me one thing. If the question is, I want to display India at the bottom, then what you will do?
We will put 2 after then and else will be 1.
Yeah.
So same query, what we will do? We will write like this. India we will keep in the second bucket and all other countries in the first bucket. Correct? If India is in the second bucket, so the second bucket will be at the bottom and the first bucket will be at the top. Let me keep it ascending. Check the output. India is at the bottom.
Yes.
And all other countries is sorted in ascending order at the top. Not clear.
Clear.
Clean.
Yeah.
No, bottom.
Anyone who wants me to explain this?
Yes.
Let me explain this. Okay, so this is the, now listen very carefully. I'm explaining this part. So this is the data we have, and this is the query we have written now. Okay. Now, for this query, order by case when name is equal to India, then to India, you are keeping in which bucket?
Second bucket.
In bucket.
Bucket number second. So let me create a bucket. Bucket number 2 here. So where to create? Excel is not working. Problem is there. Let me check this. Okay, this is bucket number 2. In this, what you have? India. Okay, fine. Else 1 means what?
Remaining other countries will be in bucket 1.
Remaining countries you want to put in bucket number 1. Okay, fine. Let me create bucket number 1. This is bucket number 1. Apart from India, we'll keep all these countries in bucket number 1. Okay. Okay. And this is and it means that there is no more condition. Is this sorted in ascending or descending order?
Ascending.
Ascending order. Bucket number 1 will be at the top. You all agree?
Yes.
Okay. So I will keep this at the top. And after this, there will be India. Okay. Now, within this bucket data, you will sort in ascending order or descending order?
Ascending.
Ascending, because here it is mentioned name. Nothing is there. It means you have to sort this in ascending order. Then ascending order here, Afghanistan will be at the top, right? And then you will be having China, and then Nepal, then you have Pakistan, then you have Russia, then you have Sri Lanka, then you have sorry, you have United Kingdom, and then you have India at the bottom. Now verify this output. Please verify the output. Is this clear?
Yes.
Any question?
Yes, Tanvir, can you explain once more, like why we put 1 and 2
1 and 2 where?
in the case statement only? Yes.
This is for bucket. Maybe I'm not sure if you were joined now, Saurabh.
No, I joined earlier only, but
Okay.
I-
So this is for bucket. 2 means bucket number 2. We have India inside this. 1 means bucket number 1. In this bucket, I'm keeping all the other countries. So all the other countries are present in this bucket.
so these 1 and 2 are just to hold the names under buckets. Like
Correct. Yeah.
what if we fill A and B? Can we do it?
I will come to that. I'll explain you after that. So is this clear so far to everyone?
Yes, Tanvi.
Yes. Now
Mr.
tell me.
Tanvir,
Yeah, Janet.
my question is, what if we want India at the top, then Pakistan next to India, then other country follows? So how are we going to do that?
That also I will tell you, Janet. Just give me some time. For that, we have to use multiple when statement. I will show you that example. So, okay. Okay. Now tell me one thing. What will be the output of this?
$100 will come first, then 200 bucket will come.
Good. In bucket 100, what we have?
India.
India.
Yeah. So what will be the output of this?
India first, then remaining other countries.
In
Which
ascending
order?
order.
Ascending. Ascending order.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now one more thing. 1000. What about this?
Afghanistan and rest will come first, then it will go for India.
What about this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
India will come
Yeah.
at bottom.
India will come
India
at
at bottom.
Rest of the countries in
Is
ascending
this
order.
clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. So hope it is clear.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. Now next question is, sorry, for this, tell me. Think over this and then answer. Don't be in a hurry.
India will come at the top.
India first,
Near the
then
top. Why do you think India will be at the top?
because the A value is
ASCII value of A comes first.
Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm running this. Please verify the output. Got it? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now for this,
India first.
India will come at the
bottom.
Remain same as it is displaying bottom.
No, same out.
No, it will come at
India will
same.
come first. India will come first. Others
Small,
will follow.
small ASCII value is greater, so it will come as same.
okay. So little bit confusion is here, right? Okay. Do one thing. Select ASCII of uppercase A from dual. What was the value? 65. 65. Okay. And same thing for lowercase a. What is the value? What happened here? 97. Now think and tell me what to do out of this.
65 will come first, then it will go for 97.
India will come first.
India will be on the top.
Yes.
Okay. Got it? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other question do you have?
Yeah, one question, Tanvir, whether it is the right time to ask or not, I'm not sure. But the question is, if you go for a dynamic, here we are making it forcefully to go first India. If we go for a dynamic one, so you told right, when the user is login, India, sometime we are seeing the location wise, it is showing the first as a India, then it sort the other country. If somebody login into Afghanistan, should Afghanistan so fast, then in that case, how?
Then you have to use variable there. You have to use parameterized query. That is a different one.
Okay.
And from that it will take. Okay. Any other question? Clear, you understood this, how we can customize it, right? Yes, no.
Yes, Tanvir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now I have one more question here. Yeah, you have shown. Okay. Okay, fine. Tell me one thing. Okay, sorry, I was on mute. Think over this. I want to display India first and then Pakistan. Okay. And all other countries in ascending order. Is my question clear?
Yes.
Yes.
I want to display India first, then Pakistan, and then all other countries in ascending order. Okay. Now listen to this, what I will do here. This is what I think, Janiet, you asked?
Yes.
Okay. Please verify the output. Is this what you're looking for?
Yes.
Is this clear, everyone?
Yes.
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 Now, who will explain this, what I am doing here?
I can.
Yeah, sure. Please go ahead.
So here you are assigning bucketing first, India, Pakistan, and the rest of the country in 1, 2, 3. First, it will go. India will go into the first bucket. Pakistan will be in the second bucket, and rest all will go first, third bucket.
Good. Perfect. Clear, guys? Not clear.
Yeah.
Clear,
It's
Tanvir.
clear.
Yeah, clear.
Clear.
So here we have created how many buckets?
3.
Three buckets.
Buckets.
So India will be at the top, then bucket number 2 has Pakistan, and then all the other countries in third bucket. So this was all about order by and how you can customize it, how you can use case. So this case I have used in order by. Then this case I will show you how to use in select. Then this case I will show you how to use in window function. Then we will see how we can use this case in cumulative sum and all those things. Okay. So yeah, so I'm done for the day today. I will share few assignment questions today. Not today, sorry, maybe tomorrow morning. Please work on that and then we will connect. So those who wants to drop, you can drop, and those who have question, you can stay on call.
Tanvir? Why you keep 2 buckets for different name, India and Pakistan? Why we kept in 1 bucket? Then one also Pakistan means then 1. Is there any issue with that one?
Your question is why I created 2 buckets.
Yeah. Is it
Okay,
easy to
so okay, so you want this to be solved using okay. Oh, sorry. Your question is why I created separate bucket for India and separate bucket for Pakistan. Is that your question?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, just to keep it simple, this is one way. I will show you how we can keep in one bucket as well. Okay. First of all, I think I have taught you in operator.
Yes.
Okay. Just observe the output. Okay, then I will explain you what is happening here. Okay. Are you getting the same output?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now I will explain this to you. So this query, this one, and this query, they both are giving the same output, correct? Okay, in this query, I have used only one bucket for India and Pakistan. Now let's analyze this, what is happening here, okay? Very interesting. And this is the query and this is your data. Here you have created bucket 1. Inside this bucket 1, you have kept India and you have kept Pakistan together, right? Okay. You have created another bucket. Inside this bucket, you have kept remaining country like Nepal, China. Clear? So far clear?
Yes.
Yes.
These buckets you are sorting in which order? Ascending or descending?
Ascending.
Ascending. So bucket number 1 you will keep on the top, right?
Yes.
Let me keep this on the top. And then you will keep bucket number 2 after this.
Yes.
Correct? Clear?
Yes.
After this, what you have written? Name. What is the meaning of this name?
It will sort
Column
by
name.
I don't know, that is fine, but what is the meaning? What you want this to do here?
name column.
Order. Sort the name column.
in ascending.
Sort within this bucket, right? This is bucket number 1, correct? And this is bucket number 2. This name meaning is within this bucket, sort this in ascending order. Within this bucket, sort this in ascending order. So if this is sorted in ascending order, you know India will be on the top and then Pakistan, correct? And in this, first of all, Afghanistan will be there. And then China will be there. Then your Nepal will be there. And you know, like this, it will keep on sorting. Clear? Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, Tanvi.
Yes.
Okay. Any other question?
What if there are 2 buckets? So what is it possible to sort one in descending, one in ascending, something like that?
That is a nested case. When I will come to that nested case, then I will explain you that part.
If we want to put Pakistan first and then India, we cannot do this with this statement, right? When name in.
No. In that case, that is what I told. I think someone asked the same question. So in that case, you can do descending, but all other will be sorted in descending order.
Yes,
You see,
right. All others will be.
Pakistan, all of this is as ascending order. So for that, again, you have to play with this. You keep Pakistan in bucket number 1, then India in bucket number 2, and all other in bucket number 3.
Okay.
But Tanvir, which is more optimized query? This into
This is more optimized
because
because here you are giving multiple condition. Each and every condition engine has to check and then it has to evaluate. So this is better from performance perspective. Here you are creating only 2 buckets. Here you are creating 3 bucket. More effort is there. Correct? Okay. So my intention of showing this was that you can play with multiple when condition. Now suppose if your question is, I want to show India, Pakistan, and after Pakistan, I want to show Russia, and then all other countries in ascending order, then what you will do? You will give one more when condition.
So why
The
you
name
not
equals
keeping
Russia.
bracket for case statement? We can't keep
1 minute, sorry, 1 minute. And then make it keep it here 4. Now check the output. India, Pakistan, and Russia. Got it? India, Pakistan, and Russia is there. And all other countries in 4th bucket, sorted in ascending order. Yeah. Oh, so sorry, someone is asking about bracket. What are you asking? Bracket?
After case statement, we are not keeping any bracket, or it's
Not required.
Not
No,
required.
no, not mandatory. It is not required at all.
Okay.
Hi, Tanvir.
The question. Yeah, hi.
Actually, I want to ask, sometimes we use in order by 1, 2, or 3. How does that work?
Okay. I have that example of first name, middle name, last name. This is the one. No? This is the one. Let me create this. Okay. See, this is what you're asking, right?
Yes, yes.
This one means you are referring to this first position column, which is first name. This 2 means the column which is in the second position, middle name. And third means this is referring to this column which is in the third position. So from this you are telling order by first name, comma, middle name, comma, last name. Instead of writing this column name directly, you can give this. But this is following the exactly same sequence. If you will keep last name here in the second position, okay, so now the meaning has changed. So now this 2 means this last name. Is that clear?
Yeah, let's say if I take a select star from, then if I put order by and give some random number 1, 2, 3, it will be taking from the table itself or within this select statement.
That is what I explained you. Let me show you once more for this. See, now if I will execute this one.
Yeah.
Same thing, right?
Yeah.
Got it? It is taking from this star. It means it is star means the sequence of columns what you have. First name, last name, first name, middle name, last name. And based on that, this 1 means the first column. 2 means the second column. 3 means the third column. But if you are giving this here, so there it will follow this sequence. This 1 means this first name. This 2 means this last name. 3 means this middle name.
Understood. Yeah, understood. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Fine then, guys. I will share the assignment question tomorrow and the record. Yeah, any question?
Tanvir, one question. Like case statement, we can use case statement like with select also. Now you showed order by and with window function. So this bucketing concept, this is limited to only when whenever there is a case either with select, order by, or anyway we have a bucketing concept. All this is limited to only order by case.
Bucket concept, what you're telling?
Bucket concept.
Yes. When I will teach you that order, when I will teach you case in select clause, see, condition will be same. It will behave the same way. Don't think that the case functionality will change. No, it will be like that only. There as well, I will show you that bucket will be there.
Means whenever there is a case, it will the concept of bucket.
Yeah.
Along with
Correct, correct.
Like
Yeah,
order
you can take that, yes. So maybe if there is scenario tomorrow, I will show you how we can use case in select clause as well. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Any other question?
Hello, Sandeep?
Yeah, hi, tell me.
Yeah, actually, I have one question. So while we are ordering, right, we created multiple buckets like 1, 2, 3. But I want to use order by any one particular bucket. I don't want rest all the buckets to be ordered. So can I place the bucket number so that it will order that particular bucket?
No, 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 that you cannot do. And that's not a business use case actually.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Because if you're not interested in sorting all the other buckets, you want to sort any one bucket. So by default, if you're writing this, sorry, this one. So this will sort all the buckets. So the one which you want, that will be sorted. And what is the problem if other buckets are also getting sorted, even if you're not bothered about that? Right? You told no that you're not bothered about the other buckets. That is fine. It will sort the other buckets as well. So that will not impact your output.
Okay.
Okay. So fine, guys. Let's connect tomorrow then with some new topics. Okay. Good night. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, Tanvi.
Thank you, Tanvi.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Stop recording.